go, Ronnie. All right.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now come to bout number 6 of the night. This will be a scheduled 3-minute MMA action-packed bout. In the red corner, this young man stands at 5 feet 11 inches, weighing in at a precise 172 pounds. He hails from the mighty city of Battleground, Texas. Known for his Brazilian jiu-jitsu style. None other than Ronnie. Making his amateur debut, this young man stands at an even 6 foot, weighing in at 170 pounds. From the Falls of Denton, Texas, representing Texas Elite MMA, known for his jiu-jitsu style, Christian the Slayer Robles.
Come on, Ronnie. Breathe, Ronnie. Go back behind you.
When the action starts, ladies and gentlemen, your man in charge.
Breathe, Ronnie. Come on, Ronnie. Go hard. Go, Ronnie. Come on. Go hard. Go hard, Ronnie. Let's go. Go. Breathe. Kick. Right, Ronnie. Go. Out of the way. Come on, Ronnie. Hey, knee, Ronnie. There you go. Sink it in. Sink it in. Sink it. Sink it in. Hey. Pull it up. Ronnie. Sink it in. Lock it in. Knee. Kick it, Ronnie. Breathe, Ronnie. Breathe. Lock it in. Lock it hard. Breathe, Ronnie. Lock it in. Lock it. There you go. Again. Breathe. Again. There you go. Knee. Yeah. Come on, Ronnie. No, Ronnie. Breathe, Ronnie. Breathe. There you go. One more. Throw it. Got him out of Ronnie.